Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to easy power off your Samsun Galaxy A33. So let's do it. So now if you want to do this and you will press the power on button, Bixby will be open and I don't want to do that. Usually you need to press volume down and power on button for power off, as you can see, and then just press power off to turn off your phone. And to make easy this process, just press here on the side case settings, and here where it's written press and hold, just select power off menu, and that's all. Now just exit, and now to power off your phone, just press the power on button, and as you can see, now you can press power off and again, and that's all. So it's very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.